New Toyota Corolla Cross, 2025, 1.8 volts luxury compact SUV introduction. Toyota continues to redefine the compact SUV segment with the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross 1.8 volts. An upgraded version of its highly successful model. Designed for those who seek a balance between efficiency, luxury, and versatility, the new Corolla Cross delivers enhanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and premium comfort, making it an ideal choice for urban and adventure-seeking drivers alike. Sleek and modern exterior. The 2025 Corolla Cross features a bold yet sophisticated design, maintaining its signature crossover SUV aesthetics while incorporating refined elements for a modern look. Some notable exterior highlights include sleek LED headlights with adaptive technology for improved night visibility, redesigned front grille, giving it a more aggressive yet elegant stance, aerodynamic body lines, enhancing fuel efficiency and stability, 18-inch alloy wheels, adding a sporty touch to its overall appearance, panoramic sunroof, offering an open and airy cabin experience, premium interior comfort and technology inside. The Corolla Cross 1.8 volts is designed to provide a luxurious experience with a focus on comfort and technology. The spacious and ergonomic cabin boasts high-quality leather upholstery for a premium feel, 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat for maximum comfort on long drives, advanced infotainment system with a 10.5-inch touchscreen supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, digital instrument cluster, providing real-time driving information, wireless charging pad for seamless device charging, dual-zone automatic climate control, ensuring optimal temperature for all passengers, performance and efficiency under the hood. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross 1.8 volts is powered by a refined 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. Key performance aspects include 136 HP and 172 Nm of torque, offering a balanced mix of power and economy. CVT transmission, ensuring seamless acceleration and fuel efficiency. Hybrid variant option, providing eco-friendly performance with lower emissions. Suspension tuned for comfort, making city drives and long journeys equally smooth. Safety and driver assistance features. Toyota remains committed to safety with the inclusion of the Toyota Safety Sense (TSS) suite in the Corolla Cross 1.8 volts. Notable safety features include pre-collision system (PCs) to prevent front-end accidents, lane departure alert (LDA) with steering assist, adaptive cruise control (ACC) for stress-free highway driving, blind spot monitoring (BSM) and rear cross traffic alert (RCTA), 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility while parking. Pricing and availability. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross 1.8 volts is expected to be available in select markets starting in late 2024. Pricing may vary depending on the region, but it is projected to start around $30,000 for the standard model, with hybrid variants costing slightly more. Conclusion. The new Toyota Corolla Cross 1.8 volts, 2025, sets a new benchmark in the luxury compact SUV category, blending style, comfort, efficiency, and safety into one impressive package. With its modern features and reliable performance, it stands out as an excellent choice for drivers looking for a practical yet premium SUV experience. Whether for city commuting or weekend adventures, the Corolla Cross 1.8 volts is ready to exceed expectations.